You all just touch on the power of, I like what you mentioned and talk about getting hooed up. I mean, it's a whole lot of other different things, but just thought that because as I look back and work on that and just look at how that's helping and still continue to help me as I continue to, get hooed up myself. But I just think that's one of the great concepts as well.
I'll be happy to do that. I talked about building lifelong friends and how to become a trusted advisor. If you're trying to do everything alone, it's going to be a long haul. But if you get hooed up, you get freed up. If you're not hooed up, you're tied up. So you have to bring people in your business, and I'll just use Legal Shield. Some of them are going to know how to do the gun plan. Or like John Wynn, he knows how to do group. Some of you are going to know how to train. Some of you are going to know how to do other stuff. You got to get hooed up with different people to do different jobs. In our life, our personal life, we have a team of people that we got hooed up, of insurance agents, financial planners, CPAs, accountants, lawyers with Legal Shield. We got this whole team of people that we got hooed up with. They know how to do it. Listen, I never ask myself what to do. I go, who knows what to do and who knows how to do it? Who knows what to do and who knows how to do it? So if you're having a problem, you go, who is good at recruiting and who knows how to do that? And you contact them. Who knows